The early 20th century marked a pivotal era in the history of aviation, a period during which the airplane transitioned from a mere dream into a practical, functional reality. This time, stretching from 1900 to 1920, was an epoch of significant and rapid advancements in aircraft technology, setting the stage for modern aviation as we perceive and understand it today. This segment provides a comprehensive and detailed overview of this dynamically revolutionary era. The evolution of aviation during these 2 decades is largely characterized by the accomplishments of 2 brothers, Orville and Wilbur Wright. The Wright brothers, as they became known, became the face of a new age, pushing the boundaries of what was considered possible in human flight. Their courage, innovative thinking, and relentless pursuit of their dreams are what ultimately led to the milestone that forever altered the course of human history and transport. On the fateful day of December 17, 1903, in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, the Wright brothers accomplished a feat that would immortalize their names in the annals of history. They successfully conducted the first ever recorded powered, sustained, and controlled airplane flight in history. Their aircraft, aptly named the Wright Flyer, wasn't just a technological marvel, it was a testament to human determination and ingenuity. It soared into the sky for 12 remarkable seconds, covering 120 feet, marking the starting point of a new era in human transportation. This breakthrough was not merely about constructing a device that could fly. It was about designing a controlled aircraft built upon the foundational principles of modern aeronautical engineering. It was about the idea of human flight and how it could be harnessed and controlled, which was an unprecedented concept at the time. Following the success of their initial flights, the Wright brothers, far from basking in their triumph, pushed further. They relentlessly continued to refine their designs, seeking to improve the functionality and capability of their flying machine. The dogged commitment they displayed in pursuing this goal was what led to the development of the Wright Flyer 3 by 1905. The Wright Flyer 3 was even more remarkable, with the ability to stay for over half an hour and perform intricate maneuvers such as circles and figure eights. The advancements they made in this model truly emphasized the potential and far-reaching implications of their groundbreaking invention. Recognizing the potential military applications of their technology, the brothers took their creation to the US Army. They demonstrated their aircraft to the military, highlighting the strategic advantage that such a technology could provide in modern warfare. Further, they also made several public flights across Europe, sparking widespread interest and enthusiasm for aviation. These exhibitions of flight served to ignite the imaginations of people all over the world and set the stage for the rapid development and adoption of aviation technology in the years to come. This whirlwind 2 decades, therefore, marked the dawn of a new era in human transport, forever changing the way we perceive and understand the concept of travel. Recognizing the potential military applications of their technology, they demonstrated their aircraft to the US Army and also made several public flights in Europe, sparking widespread interest and enthusiasm for aviation. As news of the Wright brothers' incredible success began to filter across the globe, word quickly spread amongst the inventing community, igniting a fire of ambition and curiosity. A new breed of inventors, engineers, and pioneers started delving into the intricacies of flight, encouraged by the Wright brothers' groundbreaking achievement. They embarked on their own journeys of discovery and experimentation, leading to exciting progress and development in the field of aviation. Noteworthy figures started to emerge, their contributions shaping the course of aviation history. Among these stalwarts was the Frenchman Louis Blériot, an engineer with significant contributions to his name. Blériot was an audacious figure, his courage and determination a testament to his unstoppable for aviation. His prowess and creativity led him to design some of the most innovative and reliable aircraft of his time. But it was his triumphant flight across the English Channel in 1909 that catapulted him into the annals of aviation history. This was the first time that an airplane had successfully completed a trip over the Channel, an iconic waterway that had always posed a formidable challenge to aviators. Blériot's feat generated waves of excitement and surprise, proving to the world that aircraft had the potential to cover long distances. This journey was not just about crossing a body of water. It was a powerful proof of concept, demonstrating the limitless possibilities of air travel. Glenn Curtiss, an American pioneer in aviation, also made significant strides during this period. His work in aviation was marked by innovation and a relentless pursuit of progress. Curtiss was a visionary who pushed the boundaries of technology, ultimately leaving an indelible mark on the field of aviation. As we moved into the 1910s, the world was on the brink of a significant global event. In 1914, the outbreak of World War I would drastically accelerate the development and application of aviation technology. The world was thrust into a state of turmoil, and with it, the need for advanced technology became more urgent. Airplanes, previously seen as novel and experimental, were now critical tools in the war effort. Initially used for reconnaissance missions, these flying machines were tasked with gathering valuable intelligence on enemy positions. This pivotal role of aircraft in warfare signaled the beginning of a new era in military strategy. As the war raged on, it became clear that controlling the air was a strategic necessity. Nations recognized the power that came with air superiority, leading to the rapid development of fighter aircraft and strategic bombers. The transformation was dramatic. From being mere observers, aircraft became active participants in the conflict, shaping its outcomes and changing the face of warfare forever. This period, marked by war and innovation, saw aviation technology evolve at an unprecedented pace. Significant advancements were made in aircraft design, revolutionizing the industry. Aerodynamics were improved, engines became more powerful, and the introduction of metal fuselages marked a new age in aviation. The changes that took place during this time laid the foundation for the advanced aircraft that we see today, a testament to the ingenuity and vision of the pioneers of aviation. The rapid development of aviation technology during these 2 decades significantly impacted society. This was a period of transformation. The humble beginnings of aviation, with rudimentary flying machines that barely lifted off the ground, were quickly replaced by the breathtaking advances that began to shape the world as we know it today. The sky was no longer the limit. It became the new frontier, the new highway that connected the world. Much of these advancements were the result of fierce competition among inventors and nations, spurred by the desire to conquer the sky and unlock its potential for commerce, warfare, and exploration. Visionaries and pioneers, such as the Wright brothers, dared to dream and put their ideas to the test, leading to groundbreaking innovations and achievements that marked this era. Airplanes, initially seen as mere curiosities, started to be recognized as powerful tools with the potential to revolutionize several aspects of human life. The military, particularly, found in airplanes a new weapon that could carry lethal payloads over great distances, reshaping the nature of warfare and tactics. The world witnessed this transformation firsthand during World War I, where the pivotal role of aircraft was undeniably demonstrated. Simultaneously, the potential of airplanes for civilian uses started to be realized. They were seen not only as military assets but also as potential vehicles for commercial transport and mail delivery. This newfound recognition was the result of years of experimentation and daring attempts to push the boundaries of what was possible with aviation technology. One particularly notable instance of this occurred in 1919. British aviators John Alcock and Arthur Brown made the first non-stop transatlantic flight, a monumental achievement that was met with widespread acclaim. This feat demonstrated the feasibility of intercontinental air travel, setting the stage for the future of commercial aviation. This brave act of venturing into the unknown marked a turning point in aviation history and heralded a new era of exploration and discovery. This period from 1900 to 1920 was a pivotal time in history. It was a period marked by extraordinary developments in the field of aviation. From the Wright brothers' first flight to the pivotal role of aircraft in World War I, these advancements not only reshaped warfare, but also had profound implications for commercial transport. The global understanding of the concepts of distance and travel underwent a seismic shift. The world became smaller, more accessible. The perception of air travel changed from a dangerous endeavor to a viable and even preferred mode of transportation. The societal impacts of these advancements were profound and far-reaching. The technological innovations and the groundwork laid during this era have left an indelible mark on the aviation industry and beyond. The lessons learned, the victories won, and the technologies developed during this time continue to influence the present. The aircraft designs, the advancements in aero-engineering, the evolution of flight controls, all these factors towards shaping today's aviation landscape. Indeed, the period from 1900 to 1920 laid the essential groundwork for the aviation industry, with impacts that are still felt in today's interconnected world. The influence of this era resonates as we continue to push the boundaries of aviation technology, striving to achieve new heights and continue making the world smaller. This era laid the essential groundwork for the aviation industry, with impacts that are still felt in today's interconnected world.